I love being a high achiever, and most of the people that I surround myself with are all high achievers as well. So it's something that I'm striving and achieving and doing every day. Amongst all of those achievements, I also find my internal chatter can question me. It goes something like this. Oh, really? You think you've got this? Oh, do you know what you're actually doing? Have you ever done this before? And they're kind of valid questions, sort of. They kind of stop me though. They stop me in my tracks and they stop me moving forward in that achievement of that thing that I'm working on. So this is what I have been doing with those thoughts, and I thought I would share with you the little technique that works for me. So when I recognize those thoughts are going on, I take a deep breath in. And then as I let that breath out, those thoughts go with it. And more importantly, the meaning of those thoughts go with it. So I am changing the meaning of the conversation that I'm having inside my head. And as soon as I do that, my level of achievement just simply grows.